Complementary events. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the probability that an event not happen. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. If A is an event, the complement of A, which may be written as, consists of all outcomes that are not in A. In other words, the complement of event A is the event when A fails to occur. If A is an event, then A bar is the event that A does not happen, but the two probabilities will always sum up to 1. The probability of an event A plus the probability of the complement of the event A equals 1. Example. An ordinary 6-sided die is rolled once. Determine the chance of obtaining a 5, of not obtaining a 5. The favorable outcome is 5. The number of a favorable outcome is 1. The probability of obtaining a 5 is 1 over 6. The complement of event A is not a 5. The two probabilities sum up to 1. The probability of not obtaining a 5 is 1 minus 1 over 6. Example. Mr. Prob and Ms. Ability are playing darts. Ms. Ability has probability 3 over 4 of hitting a target, and Mr. Prob has probability 2 over 5. If they both fire simultaneously at the target, determine the probability that they both hit it, they both miss it. The probability of Ms. Ability hits the target is 3 over 4, and the probability of Mr. Prob hits the target is 2 over 5. These events are independent, so the probability that both hit the target is probability of ability hits times probability of prob hits the target. Now we must calculate the complement of event A and the complement of event B. The complement of event A is not A. The complement of P is not P. These events are independent, so the probability that both miss the target is probability of complement of A times probability of complement of P. Example. A box contains 36 balls, red and blue. The probability that a blue ball is chosen at random is 1 over 4. Find the probability that it's red. How many blue balls are there in the box? Into the box there are only blue and red balls. The probability is blue is given 1 over 4. The probability the ball is red is the probability of complement of blue, because is not blue is the same as is red. To find the probability of red, we use the complementary events. The probability the ball is red is 3/4. There are 36 balls in the box. Then an S is 36. There are 9 blue balls into the box.